Hey everyone, I'm Star. Thanks for clicking in today's video. I'm sharing my version of vegan chicken and waffles, but I'm going to be using portobello mushrooms. It has a nice texture for a substitute of chicken. I like to use a few seasonings as you see here, and you want to have two separate bowls because one you're going to have dried flour and the other you're going to have a wet version of the flour. So I'm adding in some steak seasoning, and this is an old-fashioned McCormick, I believe the brand is, and you just want to eyeball it to your liking. This was probably about half a tablespoon. I use garlic powder. I love garlic, so garlic goes in almost all my seasoning mixtures, and paprika along with some sea salt. I like to use the Himalayan sea salt. And black pepper. This is the black peppercorns, and you just put it in the other flour because once you dip it in the wet mixture, at least you have some aftertaste of the pepper once you mix it all together. Then you want to grab a dairy-free milk. I like to use the oat milk, and I eyeball it and I mix it in to make sure all the clumps of the flour is out. And just think of pancake mix because you want to have that type of consistency. You don't want to have it too watery, so just make sure it looks kind of like so. Then here I have my portobello mushrooms. I'm just going to slice them. I already washed them. And you want to make sure that you have them chunky enough to look like kind of like a quote unquote chicken breast or like a chicken cutlet type of chunky size. Now all you want to do is just grab each one and make sure you coat it very well into the wet mixture, and then you toss it into the flour. It's kind of like making fried chicken. Just get all the powder as much as you can on each one. Then I have my oil here on the pot, and as I was placing them, I already put them in the pan to fry. And I must say they fry pretty quickly. While the mushrooms were frying, I decided to do the waffle mix. So you just add some milk, and the box that I use, I'll link it in the description box. And I didn't do too much to this waffle this time around because I wanted to just see the consistency of not doing too much. At this point, it's all done. Look how well it fried up. It's pretty yummy. I hope you guys try it. Blue agave nectar syrup. Fried mushroom on top. And I love hot sauce, so I topped it off with a packet of hot sauce, old-fashioned way. But it was just such a fun, creative way to do some chicken and waffles at home. Although it's like not chicken, it's mushrooms, but you'll be very surprised at the consistency that the mushroom came out. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. Show me you did by hitting a thumbs up and subscribe to look forward to the next videos that I post. Have a good day.